Mercedes-Benz USA and its parent company Daimler AG agreed to pay $149.6 million to settle claims of cheating on emission tests. A group of 50 attorneys general, including those from the District of Columbia and Puerto Rico, announced the deal. California was not part of this group. From 2008 to 2016, Mercedes put secret software in over 211,000 diesel passenger cars and vans. This software made the vehicles pass lab tests by tightening emission controls, but on real roads it loosened them, letting out too much nitrogen oxide, a gas that harms lungs and creates smog. The company did this to hit goals for fuel savings and speed while skipping full emission rules. They hid the software from regulators and buyers, calling the cars green and rule compliant. This follows a 2020 payout of $1.5 billion to the US government and California for the same issue. Under the new deal, Mercedes pays $120 million right away. Another $29 million is on hold if they finish a fixed program for about 40,000 unrepaired vehicles. Owners get $2,000 each for approved software updates and longer warranties. Mercedes must now report fixes and stop false ads for diesel cars. A spokesperson had no comment.